Okay, so bridge.
It ain't very big. Just sure packed in here.
Oh yeah. Well, that's why I was thinking if cars could park
Only got,
on there.
that's part of it. No.
Yeah, this is all one cemetery. All right, so this is Quincy National Cemetery. So then the regular people will all park in here. This is the parking lot for this. Okay. As you can see, it's no really way of doing anything. All right, so either I put the trailer right there and we bring it down, or I put the trailer here, or right there, or over at the bridge. So this will fit 2 cars, and then but up in there they can park. But that's only 4 or 5 cars. Maybe a few more. So we don't want to do that. And this whole thing, I can't put anything there because, well, come on there, buddy. A little bit faster. Okay, and he's going that way and I'm going this way. Alright. So, this is the entrance for the back, so I can have people going the other direction, but I can...
What are they getting ready to build there?
Huh? I don't know. We were trying to figure that out earlier. At least I was trying to figure it out earlier. So, okay, here we go. Another angle. Alright. So, see, and I think this will be the best because it's got the long straightaway right there. If I put it up on that other embankment right there, it looks a little more difficult. Alright, let's see what we got. See, if I put it here, I've got an embankment here. And we could probably maybe put it here, I bet you. But we can't put it here, we'd have to put it right there. So if we backed the trailer up right here, let me see how big of an embankment this is.